Okay, here we are at 2386 Granada Circle West. This is a post-sewer jetting, hydrojetting job. This line was originally caked up with cast iron flakes and debris, and currently we're at the furthest point underneath the house, staring at the stack, the base of the stack. So we're going to go ahead and pull back and inspect the line. It is cast iron. Here is a section where they've done some kind of repair from cast iron to PVC. Looks very clean.
Looks awesome now. Yep. Couple of 45s. So when we first cambered this, it was completely loaded, 100% full of rust. Now it's nice and round. Still bumpy, but that's to be expected for cast iron pipe. What you're looking for is that roundness to the pipe with no big gully down in the bottom. The gully would mean the pipe's rotting out. This one looks good. I still wouldn't use any Charmin or Cottonelle or Angel Soft. The thicker toilet paper will get hung up in the cast iron. And we are out where we have been jetting the lines, right at the back of the house.